All right, here we are at the Longhorn Classic. We just got the first birds in. Race number 3, 250 miles. These birds on the landing board are the first ones that came in. I think there was maybe about 10 of them. So the first birds have come home. Oh, hi. All right, here's some more. 3 more. The whistle's right there. I don't know if you need it. It's nice here. It's not as cold as last week, and there's no wind this week. All right, race number 3, 250 miles from Claude, Texas, Longhorn Classic. We just had the first, maybe, I'm thinking like 10, 13 birds maybe come in. Got some people showing up here. Kenny Kelly, Sam Malone. We're here at the Longhorn Classic. Today is Saturday, November 19th. It is race number 3, 250 miles from Claude, Texas. Here comes a big group. Here comes a big group. All right, that was a pretty big group. I think for sure we've gotten at least 35 in there. Congratulations to the winners. I don't have Wind Companion pulled up here. Mike just got here about 3 minutes before the first birds. Here's some more birds.
The very first bird, we got 10 minutes early. Huh?
Oh, here's, oh no.
Man, I
Saw a bunch of birds. Okay, so we're here on Facebook Live, race 3.
Race 3, 250 miles, or 245 actually. Let me see here. First birds were, goes Ivy Loft first.
Ivy lost first place. Congratulations. Cici Puede was that second? Pigeon Palace.
Treetop, Eastern Pearl, Nanya's Family, Murray and Porter, Lone Peak, SDP, APC Loft, Van Stitch, Get Tail Loft, Ramirez, Columba, Ron Price. Let me see, how far out are those? Okay, so on the first drop we had 13 birds on the drop.
13 birds on the first drop.
Yeah.
Ivy Loft, first
Ivy
place.
Loft is
Congratulations.
first one in the clock. And then Cici Pueda.
Si se puede.
Yeah, and then Pigeon Palace, C&K, Treetop, Eastern Pearl, Nanias, Murray and Porter, Lone Peak, SDP Loft, APC Loft, Band Stitch, and Get Tail. Those are the first 13.
Congratulations, everybody.
Then after that, Ramirez Loft, Columba Loft, Ron Price, Techstar, Flying D, Dash for Cash, Gamino.
Here come some birds.
Oh, more birds. Oh, it's Jack's Loft, 22nd. Gabe Conover. Oh. I have to make speed. Do you want me to start the barbecue? Hey, honey, you could wrap that.
All right, we're going to check out here at the Longhorn Classic. I think all the winners are in. Congratulations to everybody. Thank you so much for coming on here and watching, and we'll see you soon.